Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever hit send on an email in Hotmail or Outlook and instantly realized there was a typo, a wrong file attached, or even worse, the wrong recipient? Don't worry. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete or edit a sent email in Outlook using the hidden undo send trick and how to make sure it's always turned on. Let's fix those email mistakes like a pro. First, go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Click on Sign In and enter your email and password to open your Outlook inbox. Once you're in, we're going to change one simple setting that can save you from those oops moments forever. Now, look at the top right corner of your Outlook screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click that, then scroll down and select Mail. From the left sidebar, choose Compose and Reply. This is where you can customize how your emails behave before they're actually sent out. Scroll down until you find Undo Send. Here, you can set how many seconds Outlook waits before officially sending your message. By default, it might be off. So switch it on and set the duration to 5 or 10 seconds. This short delay gives you a safety window to undo or cancel an email immediately after you send it. After you send an email, look carefully at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a brief undo option. Click it fast if you need to retract your message. But remember, once that time limit passes, the email is fully sent and can't be recalled. If that happens, your best option is to quickly send a correction or apology email. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete or edit a sent email in Hotmail or Outlook using the Undo Send feature, a lifesaver for fixing mistakes in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.